What's up, guys? So this is going to be part 3 of the Suzuki quad build. Now, ordered some parts from Amazon, and today we received the oil filter and the air filter. Now, this thing still needs grips. I cut one of them off to measure it, and that's probably a dumb decision because this one actually not bad. Damn. Anyways, we're going to install the oil filter and air filter, and probably change the oil as well. So we'll have fresh oil filter, fresh air filter. Then we'll drain the gas tank and throw some new gas in this thing and see if it runs. And I'm hoping it starts within the first 10 pulls. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so when I was removing the old oil filter, which is right here, kind of did an oopsie. So as you can see here, there's no bolt. Why? Because Super Smart Sammy Jammy snapped it. Because he was turning the wrong way. Now, remember, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and don't make the mistakes I make. If that doesn't make sense to you like it didn't make sense to me, which is probably absurd, think counterclockwise is loosen, and then clockwise is to tighten. That's like counterclockwise is lefty-loosey, and clockwise is righty-tighty. So, don't make the mistakes I make. Please don't snap your bolts, because that sucks. Let's install the oil filter. Okay, so when changing your oil filter on the Suzuki LT185, the bolt size right here is an 8mm. See that right there? 8, yeah. It fits perfectly. It also doesn't come off when you let go. There is usually 3 bolts, but I snapped one. This is where the oil filter is, okay? This right here is the sight glass. So you can see how much oil is in your quad. This is where you fill it up. It takes 10W40 oil, which I have right here. And yeah, it's not that hard to change the oil. The oil filter goes in, I believe, whole first. And it's really not that hard. How to drain it though is under here. I don't even know if you guys can see it. It's down here somewhere under the underbelly. I'm not gonna get down and look because my head can't fit under here. The size for that, the socket size, is I think 21mm. So if you're looking to change or drain the oil, get a pan and drain it, because you don't want oil everywhere. It's bad. Also with the 8mm socket, you're probably going to need an adapter, because it actually fits, and without an adapter, you can't get the little 8mm bolt on the ratchet. I meant socket, not bolt. Okay guys, so I got the little cap off, and I almost lost the gasket. Don't lose your gaskets, I'm serious. Please, don't lose them. Now it's time to install the oil filter. After, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks of waiting to do this, you're going to finally install it. And I'm going to film while I'm doing it, which isn't something I do a whole lot. So, hole goes in first, because there's this little bit in here, and it matches up with the hole like a puzzle piece. So you just go, boop, and it's in. Just like that. Alrighty guys, so this is actually the day after I was filming the previous segments, and I decided to stop because I had some more stuff coming in, and I could always make this a 2-day series, you know? Like, I could make it a year series, but that would kind of suck. Anyway, okay guys, so now we're going to take off the air filter cap. Sorry, I shook it. And I actually brought a tripod with me this time, so now I can film everything I'm doing. Screwdriver, let's get to work. Loosen it. Alright. Oh, what's going on here? Come on, come out. that worked. Alright, so here's the cap. Don't lose the screw. That'd be bad. Remember, don't lose things, because your project won't end well. I'm telling you right now. Okay, so if you look in here, you've got the place where the air filter goes. It's got a little pin in there, and I have yet to find out what all this stuff does. So let me film you guys, or no, let me film me. Okay, guys, so here's the air filter. It's a racing air filter, I think, or that's what it said. It was $18 on Amazon. Fits the three-wheeler Suzuki 185s and 125s, and obviously the four-wheeler versions. So now let's stick it on here. And there's probably a lot of wind noise in the background. Sorry about that. Sorry if I just hurt your ears by leaning into the mic. Okay, let's see. How do we do this? Got the pin out right here. Probably shouldn't lose that either. Guys, moral of my videos, just don't lose stuff. Okay guys, I think I've got it. So, I spent like, hold up, dropped it, 5 minutes maybe trying to get the air filter on this thing. I think this is an attachment for other air filters that might have a different shape. And I noticed that there's a little hole sticking out right here where the pin's going in. And the pin holds it in place, and I wasted a lot of time trying to get it on the other way. So, yeah, not knowing what to do. So much fun. Not really. It sucks. And I think I've got the pin on all the way. Yeah, I do. Oops, I took it off. Dang. I'm on a roll. Okay. Air filter is on, boys. Let's go. Alright, quick little thing. I stole this little Allen key. I don't even know what it's called. Allen keys work with it. That's how you get it off. I just stole it off the other four-wheeler. And I can say from experience, it's really great having another four-wheeler to just rob parts off of. Okay guys, so after I got the air filter on, I thought, why not I just pull it? Just for fun, see if anything happens. I remembered I don't have oil in it, but I'm glad I did that because this was actually not grabbing the little twisty thing inside that turns the piston. So I took it apart, I fixed it, it's all good now. And now we're gonna unbox the grips we have. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so here are the grips I got for the quad. Gray isn't exactly part of the Suzuki color scheme, but it should be fine. I mean, whatever. Oh, these are actually really nice and grippy. I like them. They're cool. Alright, now we're going to see if they seem like they'll fit. Right in a second. Yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, these will fit. I just need to sand on this because it's rusted and all. And see, just by touching them, I got so much rust color on it. It's absurd. But, I don't know if I'm going to do much else this video. I'm probably going to put new oil in, and then pull it just for fun, see if anything happens. But, I mean, this is pretty much part 3 done. In part 4, I'm going to see if we can order new tires for it, because the front ones are cracking, as you can see. The back ones, we need some slime in them, but they have really good tread, which is awesome. We need to drain the gas, put some more gas in it, see if it'll fire up, which I'm thinking it will. There's this part right here where it rubs, the wheel rubs against the gas tank. I think that's because in the summer, plastic gets hot and expands, and we might just have to, I really don't know what we can do about that. Just air up the tires as much as we can, but not popping them, so they'll get taller instead of wider. And this thing should be good to go soon. This odometer I'm probably going to cut off because it's cracked and you can't even read anything on it. Look at that. Can you read that? I can only read mile, that's it. But this is probably part 4, or not part 4, so I'm getting ahead of myself. This is basically part 3. I don't know if I'm going to do much else. I might. Probably going to put new oil in, like I said, and I'll film if I do that. Okay, guys, so thank you to Power Mods. He's a Canadian YouTuber. He does all sorts of great stuff. Go check out his channel. I know exactly how much to put in this thing. So this is the sight glass right here. You're going to want to have it halfway full, because fuel is going all the way on the other side of the case. So I'm actually just going to use this brand new oil we got, so I don't have to worry about anything happening. And let's finish off this episode with a good... I can't even speak today. Let's finish off this episode on a good note. Okay, guys, so just in case you guys are wondering where you pour in the oil, it's right here. It takes 10W40 oil. It says so right here and on the cap. So now you know, and you don't pour it in through some other spot. Let's hope nobody's ever done that. I got the oil changed. You can see it's about halfway, and now we're going to give it a few pull starts just to see what happens. Guys, I found a woodpecker. Isn't that awesome? Just pecking away. Okay, guys, so I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I've had so much fun working on this thing, and it doesn't even run yet. Working on mechanics is so great. It's way better than video games, honestly. You're doing something productive. He's still pecking away, look at him. Doing something productive, you're working on something you could sell for good money in the future. It's such a better use of your time than sitting on your ass and playing video games. I'm serious. It's great. Stay tuned if you guys want to see part 4, which should be coming a week or 2. I don't know, guys. I'm really not sure. I can't upload very consistently because of school and stuff. You know, I have a life. Can't just do mechanics. Can't just do YouTube. If you guys enjoy the content and you think that I should do more projects in the future, tell me. Like the video if you want that too. If you guys don't like the video, didn't like the style, tell me why. I can try to change it to suit your needs in the future. And thank you guys so much for watching. Adios.